Hi everyone, welcome again. Another PC, another video. In this occasion I have a 386 that reminds me to my first system. I know it's working and it has Windows 3.11 installed. I hope this 5 1/4 floppy works. It is cracked here, needs some gluing. Quite yellow, so I will try to Retrobrite it as well. Let's get it open and see inside. It has that deadly battery. Yes, we have corrosion on the run. Let's carry on. This screw doesn't belong here. Here's the drive. I don't have a disk to try it right now. Here is the other floppy drive. Pretty nasty. Let's get the motherboard out. I have to use some thin pliers to get out this stubborn screw. There we go. It has corrosion on the keyboard port and just a little on the back on a trace. Now that the battery is out, let's replace the keyboard port as well. The new ports are here. Time to remove the old one. We can see the corrosion was all over it. Now some cleaning. The processor and this chip are marked with a permanent gold marker. Pretty odd. Let's put the new keyboard port. Then I solder it to the motherboard. Perfect. Now I can continue with the 3.5 floppy. But the plastic from the front was too brittle and was of no use. Let's see if it can handle this impact test. It didn't pass, sorry. I've got this NEC from the original 486 that was keeping for an occasion like this. Please don't break nice plastic. I would really like to use this drive. It's the first 5 1/4 floppy I own in a long time. Ah, yes, how lucky. Plastic cover falls off because of the cracked front. Let's take it off. Nice PC speaker. Out it goes. I get out the back brackets and the PSU. Leadman 200 watts. Needs cleaning. Now let's take everything apart from the front and try to glue that crack before I Retrobrite it. This came out smoothly. Now we wait. I noticed a crack in this plastic lever that needs glue as well. Some tight taping and it will stick firmly. Here we can see the difference with the inside color. It is winter here, so the sun will not help us. So I will test retrobrighting with UV light.
One week later.
Here is the result with the same daylight. Now let's clean the rest of the case and the individual components. Everything is almost clean. I'm missing some individual parts. I have painted black with a marker the processor and the other chip on the motherboard. It's better than that odd markings. Let's mount the motherboard and its tray again. Now let's open this floppy drive. I didn't clean it before. Oh, look at this, flying muck. This needs cleaning. The other floppy drive, it's not so bad. What I've noticed is that the head is slightly bent sideways. Hope it is just like that. I will find out someday. Let's get the heads of the drives clean with some IPA. Here is the hard drive, a Quantum Pro Drive ELS. More odd markings on this controller card. Gone. The only thing is this MT203S. A Realtek ISA video card. Now let's make some space for the PSU. Also a good clean for it. It has never been opened. Security badge intact. Not terrible. Let's clean it with the air compressor. There we go. I also did this floppy drive that was really nasty. Let's put the cover again. I want to check the PSU cooler. Avant-Garde. Whoa, that's an interesting brand. Let's get it clean. This cooler is working perfectly fine. I leave it as it is. Let's continue. Mounting the motherboard to the case requires 2 screws, but they need to be flushed. I'll see what I can find in this magic box. Done. Now the front. Great. Let's put back together the front cover. This sticks right on. The buttons and LEDs needs hot glue to keep them in place. So let's get the hot gun warming up. Security key in place. Reset and turbo button are glued and put together again. The LEDs go in place and glued as well. Power button clamps firmly. And last but not least, the CPU velocity display. Let's screw it to the case again. I forgot there is one screw hidden by the motherboard tray, so I got it out again to reach it. Notice the difference with the tray screws. I got the floppy drives mounted as well as the PSU. Then goes the motherboard, hard drive, controller and video cards. I make some cable management and get everything connected. Finally, I mount the serial port on the case directly. It's a nice option. I almost forgot this ESS sound card was in here as well. I'll sort out the missing front panel cables. Let's see if it's working. I'm not sure if 60 MHz is correct for this processor. It boots to DOS. Speakers are connected. Let's start Windows. Oh, football fan spotted. Sound is working perfect. Let's change the background. There are some games here. Let's see what we got. Some kind of Tetris. The sound is from the PC speaker. Let's try another one. Nightmare 3D. There is music on the speakers and the effects come through the PC speaker. Let's play this. I have no idea what to do here, never played this. That screeching sound from the PC speaker is annoying as hell. I will continue to test this machine in another video. This one surely has got long. Hope you had a good time, and if you want, you can leave a like and subscribe. See you in the next one.